The most dangerous person in the room makes no sound. They do not announce their power. They do not perform their intelligence. They watch, they wait, they know. Chanakya, in 300 BC, wrote this in the Arthashastra. The wise man does not reveal what he has seen, what he has heard, or what he intends to do. While others argue, he observes. While others perform, he understands. While others speak, he decides. You have been taught that power is loud. It is not. Power is the one in the corner who has not spoken once and knows everything about everyone in that room. The old you is dead. You are a weapon pointed at your own future. You belong to no one. Stop announcing your moves. Stop explaining your silence. Stop justifying your stillness. The river that runs deepest makes the least noise. And that is why the most dangerous person in the room makes no sound.